If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Password and Security. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Password and Security tab on the left side. Click on it to view your security settings, including two-factor authentication options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been turned off successfully. Now you have successfully turned off two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Epic Games support.